first things first, we're going to make everything visible. So I'm going to move this guy up here. We can move this thing. So we got vlog. Oh, we're going to turn the fog war off. There we go. What the junk is Austin doing? Oh, that's what he's doing. Okay. So we got Austin here. We got Sam here. We're going to turn up the speed a little bit because it's just the pregame anyways. That's going on. I'm right there going crazy. You see Alex has got all of the sheep. Holy cow, he's got tons of sheep. What's going on over here? We got Taylor going after sheep. He's doing his farming thing. Cute. Here we go. We got Travis doing the sheep thing, doing the farming thing. Everyone's doing normal things. Larry's got a ton of guys on wood, although I believe I do as well. He's building extra houses early. I don't know what's up with that. Why is he doing that? Let's look at Larry's things. So Larry's, he brought in his boar. He's got a max pop of, Larry likes to go above 25, and he's going with the gold thing. Okay, so that's what's going on. I now understand. Larry's an idiot. Just kidding, Larry's actually a very good player. And we've got Chase going after the boars, reeling them in. He's got a ton of houses early. He's got a ton of houses. I don't know what he's doing with all of that pop. Larry's at 30. Larry built another house. He is like crazy booming in Dark Age. Oh, it's because he's got that going on. That makes more sense as well. Okay. So we're just kind of building, getting ready. Travis is doing the farms thing, which is what's going on there. Taylor's got this going on. Taylor's in feudal and cooking. Let's look here. Yeah. There he's got 15 people on food, 11 on wood. Alex has just gone feudal. Sam's moved forward while I've moved back. And Austin's over here cooking. Austin was cooking really well this game. We should probably turn his scores on. I don't know why they weren't on. But as we see, Larry's in first place right now. What's Taylor flagging over here? That's weird. Look at their fog of war. Oh, he's just checking stuff out. Okay. I don't know, Larry. You're talking about us having a beautiful trade. Our trade was from right here to, if we look on the map, right there. It's fine, but your guys' you started over here down in the corner, and this corner down at the bottom, went all the way over to here. Like, that's a crazy good trade. I think that's the difference in the game, if I'm being honest. And Larry started walling. Classic Larry. Doing all of this. Chase is going. What's he building here? Is it a TC? It's a TC. Okay. There's Pops at 86. Let's see, compare that to, I believe I was in first place. I was at 105 at this point. Where's Austin? I know Austin was cooking pretty good too. Austin was at 90. So we're all comparable. I'm a little ahead, but even still with scores, Larry and Taylor are both just cooking. And Taylor's at 98 and going. Larry's cleaning it up over there. There we go. And Taylor's starting to prep his stuff. Tree length's got 9 minutes left. If we look right here. I was wondering where my tree length thing went, and I was like, where does it go? It's right there. All right. We'll slow down at about 2 minutes. Start watching things. I'm amazed at how fast Larry's doing this. He's just eating that up. This looks good. Okay, 5 minutes. Taylor, did you just go Imperial? No. So we're cooking over here. I'm going to turn the fog of war off. So as we see, they're going, and there's not much going on over here. I guess I'm walling off a little bit. Alex is walling off, actually. So I'm building this here. Alex is going to build his stuff like right in here. And what's going on with Travis? So Travis is going to be cooking out of right there. Larry's cooking out of right here. And there's Chase. That dirty, rotten Chase. Of course. Okay, Treaty is about up, so we're going to slow things down a bit. Oh, wait, is Treaty up? Treaty's up. When the fight started, Taylor dropped the wall. Taylor hit first. Let it be said, Taylor shot first. Sending troops left and right. I'm starting to send stuff. Alex is just building here. Let's look at it. Alex is sitting real fast. I see that Taylor's got 50 farms, 41 wood, and he's got no gold going. We'd have known that. Okay, and Alex, Loch Next. Alex is a little behind, but not out of the game by any stretch of imagination. It's a good thing Taylor attacked with just hussars. It's going to do nothing against a castle. And this castle's, going down, but it totally is buying us time. On the other side, I'm loading up, but Taylor's just right here going. Not Taylor, Larry's just right here going. Excuse me. And Chase is still kind of rolling in. But we're all Imperial Age at this point. So everyone's at full go. So, alright, Alex has that. I know about Alex. We're good there. Austin's got 100 trade cards going. Holy cow. Kid's rich. Except for he has no food. Which I believe was kind of the story of the game. I can't remember. He seems like he was pretty rich. Larry's I'm surprised that Larry's not going in at this point. I'd be going in. If I had that much, I'd for sure be going in. We know on this side that Travis is going crazy with the bombard cannons. And we're just in pretty crazy fight right now, actually. It's pretty good. But I know what's happening over here. I don't know what happens on this side. So Larry goes in. Here he goes. Breaking down the wall. Break it down! I don't know why you break down a wall and not just go around it, but he broke it down. And Austin immediately sends his horses in. And just wrecks these. Oh no, he didn't just wreck these. We get more horses? We are getting more horses. And Larry rebuilt his wall. It's like, oh, never mind. Although, if he had gone forward, I think he'd have been pretty happy. There was some stuff, but not There weren't mountains of troops. But like right now, you guys have cut in to chase. Who knows how that would have gone. But we're just sitting kind of looking at each other over here. On this side, things were going crazy. Is this Sam? It is Sam. Hello, Sam. I love that Persian, the archers mixed with the elephant combo. It's so much fun. Oh yeah, we flex right here, but we kind of lost momentum. What was going on with Alex? I felt like Alex was not flying with troops the way I've seen him fly with troops in the past. I don't know what was going on with that, but we'll look at Alex just for a second. I want to see what is. So he had the stuff for it, and he had troops popping out, so I don't know. And their trade's up and going. Here we go, here we go. Does this fight start a little bit more? It has. So there's just a bottleneck right here. Putting up castles. I don't even remember building that castle, if I'm being honest. Wonder if it actually gets built, we'll see. Larry's just got 3-4 castles over here. And the battle for the gap is real. Here comes Larry. This fight over here kind of got entertaining all of a sudden. We're up on their front. We kind of push them back. I think we even attack this castle. I don't think we take it down right here. But if we do, I hope we do. And so we've got troops just chilling in the back, doing nothing. And Travis has shown up. I remember that Travis is starting to just spam trash. And he does pretty much that for the rest of the game. Right over here. Oh, yeah, that didn't get finished. Darn. This is a much slower side over here. But Sam's flexing right now. Got some crazy going on here. Larry's there. We took out that one castle.